middle?
You are in the middle.
Okay, today I am here with my beautiful guest cook, my mom. Yes, hello everyone. I said hello everyone instead of hello mom.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I just saw you this morning.
So my mom is here today and she's going to teach us how to make energy bites. They're very delicious, but I don't know how to make them. So we're gonna make them because we're stuck in quarantine with nothing else to do.
Yes, we are. Okay, we're gonna do the dry ingredients first. So we make these gluten-free because we have Kelcey and her brother who can't have gluten.
Let me do a quick disclaimer about the gluten dairy. So as some of you know, I am gluten intolerant and I cannot have dairy. Nutella has dairy in it, but I don't really care because there's not enough of it to harm me. But just know that the recipe is not fully dairy-free.
Correct.
How much are we putting in, Mom?
So we are doubling our batch today, but we're gonna pretend we're doing a single batch. So it's 3/4 cup oats. So the next one is 1/4 cup ground flax, but we are gonna double it.
And we are using Bob's Red Mill flaxseed meal. Thanks, Bob's Red Mill. Not sponsored, just like them. Now,
Yeah, let's put everything back
Mom
there.
is the same as me. Once I use something, I like to clean it up, so that's what we're gonna do.
So we're two tablespoons cocoa powder, but we're gonna do 4. And I'm not
That's
being
heaping.
exact.
Do you need help?
It's fine. It's fine. You can't. The cocoa powder won't hurt you.
It smells so
2.
good.
3.
Now I'm realizing I did not wash my hands yet, so I'm not gonna touch anything until I do.
Okay.
Maybe I'll do that really quick.
All right.
Please hold. I would like to participate.
So instead of a pinch, I'm just gonna sprinkle once, sprinkle twice, actually.
Ooh, that's a pinch. Sprinkle,
That's
sprinkle.
probably a little more than a pinch, but that's okay.
Ooh, that smells good too. Here, I'll just put this back here. There we go. Everyone, this is what it's looking like so far. Just powdery oats.
And then 1/4 teaspoon salt.
Now we added the salt, because
Yeah.
it was
added the
too
salt.
sweet last time.
Yes, we added the
You
salt.
are a speedy baker, Mom.
I'm sorry, am I not supposed to
It's
be?
okay. No, you're good.
Because I have to make these every 3rd or 4th day because you guys are eating them.
Well, now I'm learning, so I can make them next
Thank
time.
God, how long are you staying? Okay, next.
So you want to mix all the dry ingredients, and then you want to add all of the wet ingredients.
Yes.
I don't know why I did this. They're all wet ingredients.
So the gal on the Instagram, which I've never done before, but I guess it works. What you do is you spray this so the peanut butter doesn't stick too badly.
So we're
that's what I'm gonna
spraying the measuring cup.
And we're gonna have to do it twice.
Well, that won't fit in there, so you got a different spoon to put in there.
That's what I'm working on, my dear. That's what I'm working
Ooh,
on.
you know what? You could use a little spoonula. That'll fit. Do you have a small one?
I used to, but I don't think I want to use that. So, all right.
So I hope quarantine is treating everyone well, and that everyone is finding.
You wash your hands.
I
and stick
just
them
washed
there.
my hands, yes. We're finding ways to keep ourselves entertained over here. I am excited to be able to stay here with my family, so thank you, Mom, for housing me.
What am I gonna say? No.
Some people do.
So the doubled the recipe is a 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon peanut butter.
So we're gonna do 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons. A little more.
Yeah, so just heap it on the top. Just heap it on the top. It's not an exact
Hold on,
measurement.
this is still just 1 cup.
So now just do a big spoonful on the top of that. It's not an exact measurement.
Is that 2 tablespoons?
No, do a little more. Okay, that's perfect. Yes.
For reference. Okay.
Thank you. So let's see how the spray
just-
works. Nice.
Was that olive oil spray?
Wow. Doesn't matter. That
You
works
sound
great.
Do we need this anymore?
Yes, we need it for the Nutella.
Now I understand why chefs keep a towel on their.
On their person.
Yeah, because you need to be able to do this, you know?
Yes. Okay. So
Oh
yummy.
my god, it's so good.
All right.
If you don't want to add Nutella or you don't like Nutella, you don't have to use it.
You don't have to.
Do you have to substitute it with more peanut butter?
So the original recipe is, I think it's a whole cup. So it's a whole cup and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter for the original single.
Oh, but we split it in half and used half for Nutella.
Half and 1, but since we're doubling it now, we're gonna do a whole cup and 2, and
Gotcha.
a whole cup and 2.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna do.
You want me to do that?
Sure.
Hey, Mom, when did you start enjoying cooking? Like, what age were you like, I really like to cook because, if you don't know this, my mom is an excellent chef.
I am not.
Mom,
But thank you. I'm
there-
not a chef.
Oh, yeah, oh, chef. You are a very good cook, and there are a lot of people that try your meals that
You're embarrassing me.
I
Thank
should
you.
be flattering you.
Thank
Oh,
you.
can we close up on that?
Okay. You might want to scoop that because the tablespoons might just drool.
Well, here. Do you remember one of the first things you ever cooked?
Spaghetti.
On ground?
It
I
was
think a lot of people-
spaghetti with a seasoning packet. That's against the law in this house now.
Wait,
So.
say that again?
Yeah, you heard me.
No. What kind of seasoning?
Spaghetti seasoning.
Spaghetti seasoning? What is that?
Exactly. Sheltered child.
Is that a thing?
Can't give me
Wait, but is it for the sauce?
that. Yeah.
Who seasons their spaghetti? Not like top ramen seasoning. Are you okay?
Yes, I don't know what you're talking about.
Mom, what is spaghetti seasoning? Do you mix it into
It's like
a
taco
sauce?
seasoning.
Mom, put your arms above your head. It helps. Are you okay? Okay, do you need water? Can I help you?
So we're gonna finish the cooking here,
Really?
and let's see. We got
Are we mixing? Where's the
Nutella.
instructions?
Dad, don't touch anything.
Mm.
I'm by myself. All right. Kelly can no longer be with us today. The dogs have joined.
What you saw was 2 seconds. What really happened was 5 minutes.
Here we are after our brief recess. Mom, are you okay?
Woo! Better, thank you.
We choked on peanut butter, but we're good.
I think it may have been the Nutella. I don't know, but
Or
now my
Nutella.
lungs are full of Nutella. All
So
right.
right now, it's just basically a big blob of peanut butter and Nutella.
And dry ingredients.
And Dodger, none of it's for you. The dogs
So-
are down here.
Let's get to it here.
What's next, Mom?
So it says 1 to 2 tablespoons maple syrup. I think it called for 3 in the original. So I made it last time with 2, but I thought it could even be less sweet. So that's why I'm saying 1 to 2. So once you make a batch, then you'll figure out what to
So
do.
we could do 2 for a double batch?
I'm
Or
gonna
like
say
keeping
2 in a little bit. That way,
Keeping 2.
yeah, so we're gonna do, and 1. And this is pure maple syrup. So like I said before, I think I mentioned,
Don't use Aunt Jemima's for this. It's
you
gonna
can
be.
if that's all you have, but if you make these one time and you really love them, you're gonna make them a lot.
If you can't source your own maple syrup from a tree, store bought is fine.
All right, so this calls for now, I think it said 2 tablespoons warm coffee, so we're gonna
Well,
do
didn't
4 of
it
these.
call for warm water, but we changed it to warm
Oh,
coffee?
it called for warm water and I changed it to coffee.
So the energy that we are doing comes from caffeine, not from protein powder, as some other people might do.
That's funny. But it's not enough to keep you up at night, so don't have to worry about that. So, and then I'm gonna add the vanilla, but you can start just slowly incorporating the oats, and we will add
Ooh, I'm gonna fold in the oats.
1 teaspoon of vanilla is the original, so we're doing 2.
This smells delicious, Mom.
Yeah, I always overflow on vanilla, so.
Vanilla is, well, you can always put extra vanilla.
Always extra vanilla, so I don't think we used.
Now, so far, this is what it's looking like. Wow, this is delicious.
Yeah, we will stir in the walnuts and then,
Do you have walnuts?
I do.
Let's break them out.
I'm trying to find them.
Oh, we have a visitor. Dodger's down at my feet, and here comes Zoe. What's her name?
Joy Bauer. So @ Joy Bauer. JoyBauer. Sorry, it's like saying
@
the
sign.
the Google
Or the Facebook.
or the Facebook. No, the Google's funnier.
You have prepped this baking sheet with parchment paper, wax paper?
Wax paper. You can use parchment paper too. Doesn't matter. So the best thing to do is just make what did you say the size of that is?
I don't know.
They've been
This-
called many things in this house.
Here's the size. Was that an inch? An inch ball?
Mhm.
Yeah, about an inch
About an
round.
inch.
I want to make some. Okay, so roll these up. And these are no bake. They're just gonna solidify
Put them in the fridge,
in the fridge
and they're ready to eat whenever.
whenever they're cold.
Whenever is like I don't
This
know
is too
right
big.
now.
This is too big.
Okay, fine. There's no rules.
No rules. Did you hear that? No rules in the DeMarinado house. All right, Mom, these look great.
They do look yummy, don't they?
Here's the finished product. We are going to put these in the fridge for how long would you say before,
At least an hour, and then we can have them.
or overnight? Just kidding. At least an hour, and then you can taste them. And this is how many we got: 55 out of the double batch. Thanks for joining me today, Mom. I might come back and I'll be able to show you what they look like after they're done chilling, but for now, this is all the hard work is over.
Easy.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next time.